video. I'm Tom and today I'm going to show you how to make the best kale chips at home. If you're looking for a healthy snack to satisfy your savoury cravings, then these kale chips could be perfect for you. We're going to bake them low and slow. That's going to dehydrate them and lock in all that goodness and all that flavour. You're going to end up with a beautifully crispy snack. For this recipe, you're going to need some kale. 2 minutes. Kale. This is a black kale variety, but any kale will do the job. Olive oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder. I hope you enjoyed making these kale chips. If you did try making them, let me know in the comments what you think. I think they're awesome, they're really tasty and they're healthy too, so it's a win-win. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. Please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Stay mint and I'll see you in the next one.